Okay, so the next question, question 3. Phoebe decided she would try and draw Pac-Man by programming an image with two shapes. A yellow circle with radius 20 and a white triangle also with radius 20. And she decided that the x and y coordinates for both shapes should all be given in multiples of 10. Write a program using the commands available to draw Pac-Man. Okay, so we want to firstly add two shapes. So let's grab these two here. Okay, and we want to create one which was a yellow circle and a white triangle. So I'm going to call this one yellow circle, meaningful names, and call this one white triangle. Okay, now I need to think about how many sides. Let's think about our yellow circle. Now this I should be able to do with, let's say, for example, 10 sides. Let's try that. We want to change the color of this to yellow. We've been told that the radius was 20, and now we need to think about the position x and y, which would be in multiples of 10. So I can do a bit of trial and error here. I can see exactly where I think this is going to be. If I look at right in the middle of this, that does look like 50 and 50 to me. So let's try that. Okay, there's nothing wrong with getting this wrong first time round. But let's see if I run that. Okay, there we go. That looked like that was in the perfect place. I just need my white triangle to come in and basically create that little Pac-Man thing. Now, obviously, the triangle will have three sides. We wanted it to be white. And let's think about the radius, which was going to be 20. And then we need to think about the position x and y. So let's run that for now. I have no idea where that's gone because obviously, let's try and change the color of this to red. Oh, see, that's there. So I want that over here. Okay, so it looks like I will need to do some sort of rotating. So let's grab shape. We'll rotate that in a bit. Whoops. Shape. We'll rotate that in a short while. Let's see. Okay. So I've got my white triangle. Let's try and move that over. So the position X. Let's try that. So that's along the corridor. I reckon we can try 60. And position Y, again, I reckon 50. Let's run that. Let's see. Oh, cannot set properties. Oh. All right, let's get rid of the rotation for now. Okay, so that looks like it might need to be pushed a little bit more. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. And now let's get the rotation in. So let's head down to shape. And we want to rotate that. I reckon, let's try clockwise. I'm going to do anti-clockwise. Let's run that. Oops, I didn't. Okay. Shape name white triangle. Okay, let's try a little bit more. Oh, 90. Let's try that. Oh, perfect. And obviously all we want to do is change the color of that to white. And there we go. Perfect.